morning. I'm here under the ground, under the forests, under the beauty of nature. I wish to share with you about Saint Mary Magdalene. Who is Saint Mary Magdalene for us? You know, we people, we usually incline to judge and to find ourselves guilt, conscience, and sinfulness. The judgment for ourselves is always in a part of our weaknesses, failures, and iniquities. This, I think, we go for Saint Mary Magdalene. Saint Mary Magdalene did not remain to be a sinner. The image of Saint Mary Magdalene actually is an influence, and it could be an inspiration for us humans. From sinfulness to holiness, from human to divine experience. You know, Saint Mary Magdalene became the apostle for the apostles. And why God chose him to be the first witness of his resurrection. And this is maybe our human experience. Beyond our sinfulness, beyond our weaknesses, is actually to find ourselves an experience of God's resurrection. And this is an everyday experience and invitation. We go beyond. Yes, given. We accept. Yes, it is true. It is a reality. But we do not remain as sinners. We don't remain as mere human, or rather, we became agents of God and mere witnesses of God's wonderful mystery. And this is our life. This is our salvation. When in everyday life, in ordinariness, even our sinfulness became the witness and primary witness of our salvation, of God's resurrection.